My name is Lisa Shellady, and this is my Kyani story. I'm 47 years old. I married my husband in August of 2012. On October 31st, 2012, I was given the diagnosis that I had triple-negative breast cancer. Triple-negative breast cancer is a rare, aggressive form of breast cancer that affects less than 15% of all breast cancer patients. It genetically comes, it's predominantly found in African American women, Hispanic women, women of Mediterranean or Jewish descent. I'm none of those. I have no reason that I should have this, other than it was my journey. When I was diagnosed, I was scared. I had watched my sister die of cancer. I had watched dear friends be ravaged with breast cancer and their chemotherapy treatments and radiation. And I went to my surgeon and said I didn't want to do chemo. And she told me point blank I would be dead within 2 years. My first thought was that my daughter would not be 21, that I had grandchildren that I would not see grow up. I went to my oncologist and we set up a treatment plan which included chemotherapy, including the drugs adriamycin, Cytoxan, and Taxol. In the medical field, they are known collectively as Red Death. The emotion of having to put something named that into your body in order to survive. But I knew that was my only chance. I took the Kyani information to my oncologist, Dr. Derek Haslam, and I said, I'm taking this product. Can I continue to take it during chemotherapy? He took all of the information, reviewed the ingredients, looked at the research done by Dr. Barry Tan and the other physicians, and came back and told me, absolutely, keep taking this product. And I did, religiously. I contacted Dr. Barry Tan, and he had told me to increase taking the Kyani Sunset. The tocotrienols were very effective in the cancer treatment, so I increased those. I take 8 a day. I went through chemo expecting the worst, like climbing into a chute on the back of a bull and waiting for that gate to open. And I sat there waiting, and nothing happened. I was never sick. I was just never sick. My hair fell out, but I was never sick and in bed. I went to my doctor and said, it's not working. It must not be working. I don't feel bad. I feel good. And he said, you're fine. Keep doing what you're doing. And I know without a doubt that it was the Kyani that kept all of my numbers in the normal range. I was never anemic. I never got sick, even though my immune system was killed by the chemotherapy. I had no nausea, no vomiting, very little fatigue. I was able to work. I was able to maintain pretty much my normal life. And in April of 2013, I had a mastectomy, and I'm happy to say that there were no residual cancer cells found, and I am cancer-free, thanks to Kyani.